You don't know what a delightful dilemma it was, trying to decide on the most appropriate method for your demise. I had so many ingenious ideas, I didn't know which to choose. So I decided to use them all. Marvelous, isn't it? But here, let me show you how it works. Picture this. First, a sprightly tune I've recorded especially for you. As the song plays, the chord tightens. And when the song ends, the metal ball is released, rolling along its merry way until snap, boom, twang, thunk, splat. And so ends the short, undistinguished career of Basil of Baker Street.
You're despicable.
Yes. Everything's ready, Fidget?
All set, boss.
Oh, this is wicked. So delightfully wicked. Mr. Flaversham, let me congratulate you on a superb piece of craftsmanship. See what you can do with the proper motivation? You all know the plan.
Right, Professor!
It was my fond hope to stay and witness your final scene, but you were 15 minutes late, and I do have an important engagement at Buckingham Palace. Now, you will remember to smile for the camera, won't you? Hmm? Say cheese.
You fiend!
Sorry, Chubby. You should have chosen your friends more carefully.
Goodbye, so soon, and isn't this a crime? We know by now the time
Adieu.
knows how
Auf
to
Wiedersehen.
die.
Arrivederci.
So here's
Farewell.
goodbye, so soon.
Bye-bye, Basil.
Go separate way. With time so short, I'll say so long and go. So soon, goodbye. You followed me, I followed you. We were like each other's shadows for a while. Now, as you see, this game is through, so although it hurts.
What did he mean? An engagement in Buckingham Palace?
Haven't you figured it out yet, Doctor? The Queen's in danger and the Empire's doomed.
The Queen?
Come in.
Begging your Majesty's pardon, a present has just arrived in honor of your jubilee.
Present? Oh, how wonderful. I just adore jubilees.
Here you are, sweetheart.
Have you been with us long? To our beloved Queen, this gift we send, as her 60-year reign comes to an end. How extraordinary. Goodness gracious!
Amazing likeness, isn't it, Your Majesty?
Professor Ratigan! Guards, seize this despicable creature!
Guards, seize this...
Despicable creature!
How dare you?
Take her away.
Let go of me, you ruffians! You things! Traitors!